What's up, guys? It's probably 4 days later after the next clip, but I'm out here fishing. I just caught my third one today, actually, but I just started filming. I was like, all right, they're biting, let's start filming. So I'm back in the bay and we're gonna catch some fish. I'll get the release for this one. Here's the release for this guy. Nice little fighter, buddy. See you. You know what, guys? I probably confused you guys from the last clip. I'm actually gonna make this a new video so I can have more videos, you know. Well, let's get fishing. What's up, guys? Alright, gotta wear this life vest because the people here, they want us to wear life vests, which makes sense because if someone, drowns in your pond, you're probably gonna get in trouble for it, so, because someone can sue them or something. So they bought us these life jackets, so I guess I'll just be wearing this life jacket while I fish, so let's catch fish. By the way, guys, I'm fishing the Wacky rig. If you guys don't know what that is, it's just a little Senko with the hook directly in the middle, and you just tap it on in. There's one. Oh, he came off! Dang it! He came off, guys. I don't know how big that one was. It might have been a little bigger because he actually put a little oomph on that. There's one, guys, right there. Got one. Boom. Hit it immediately. It's a little girl. Oh, this is a tiny one. This fish is tiny. This is a little guy. I bottom hooked him. You see that? Fish will swim upside down. Let's get it out. There we go. Let's let this one go. Let this little guy go that I just caught. Nice little splash. Oh, thank you. Well, guys, let's keep fishing. Alright, I'm taking this life jacket off first. Just for a minute. Perfect. Alright, there. Almost. He had to hit right after it. Boom. Got him on. Oh. Oh, it's another little guy. Oh, we're going in the boat. No, get out of the boat. Another real little guy. Man. Oh, get over here. What am I doing? There we go. Oh, not freaking out. Stop freaking out. Oh, I bottom lipped this one too. Bottom hooked it again. Look at it. Bottom of the lip. Bottom of the mouth. There we go. See, bye-bye to this guy. Boop. See you, buddy. Get bigger, stronger, better. There's one! There's one! It's bigger! It's bigger, guys! It's bigger! It's bigger! It's bigger! The biggest one of the day. Biggest one of the day right here. It's pulling the boat around. Oh! Oh! It's bigger, guys. Oh, it's bigger, it's bigger, it's bigger, it's bigger. Come here, come here, come here. Yes! That is a bigger girl. Look at that. Oh, she choked it too. Absolutely choked it. Look at that fish. Biggest one of the day right there. That is what I'm talking about. This is what we come for right here. Look at that fat girl. Oh my goodness. Yes. Biggest one in a while. Just let her go. Revive her up. Get bigger. Catch you again. Guys, I'm gonna see if I can't catch one more fish for you. One more fish for the video. And then I gotta head up home. I got school tomorrow. Spring break's over. That sucks. Didn't get to make as many videos as I wanted to because that one day that I caught 16 bass in one day. I don't know why I didn't film. We started slaying them. I should have started filming, but I just didn't think about it. So I guess it was a nice little break. Let's catch one more. Sorry I didn't catch one for you guys. They kind of quit biting for a little bit. And so I'm going back home now. See you guys in the next video.